We're dealing with extreme weather conditions, demanding clientele, and millions of dollars at stake.
In a city this size, our reputation is just everything. Introducing Bluon has definitely been a game changer for us.
The benefits that we've gained from using Bluon are big. We know walking into a home with a wine unit, we can give them a service that gives us a huge competitive advantage. That's what Bluon does for us.
Everything that Bluon had promised actually became true. Electricity savings at the first 2 stores we ran at were immediately at 15%. It saved on maintenance costs, it saved on electricity costs, and it saved on capital costs.
With Bluon, we're doing things that were literally not possible before.
The temperatures that we get out here can be as much as 125 degrees.
The equipment's not designed to run like that. Now you take a refrigerant like Bluon, I'm not getting calls at 10 o'clock at night saying my wine unit's broken.
Increased reliability, less breakdowns, more peace of mind.
I've never seen anything that works like this. R22 doesn't work like this. Still blows me away.
Now that the app has been created by Bluon, all the calculations that are necessary for pressure are done by the app. Even our newest techs are able to master it very quickly.
Less customer complaints, less hours spent on the job, more profit. What else can you ask for?